Kick back and relax in our fun tropical atmosphere without using your vacation days. It's the perfect place for the whole family to enjoy a tasty meal. Unwind in our tiki hut and try our fresh and juicy jumbo chicken wings. From traditional buffalo to signature flavors like firecrack and honey chipotle barbecue. And if the biggest, juiciest wings aren't your thing, Hurricane Grill and Wings menu includes our world-famous garlic and parmesan fries, tasty salads, seafood entrees, craveable tacos, and fresh half-pound Angus burgers, along with a full bar and lineup of craft beers and wine.
Hi guys, welcome to Hurricanes. Our happy hour is 1 to 6. We have 36 taps and we have a full liquor bar. Come and join us.
Come on down to Hurricanes in Palm City. We're one of the few Hurricanes that has a full liquor bar. Chances are we have your favorite beer, and if we don't, we'll have something that you're going to enjoy. So come on down and see us.
And kids eat free every Wednesday from 5 to 9 p.m. We have balloon art and face painting. Plus, they'll love our large game room. At Hurricane Grill and Wings, we make sure everyone eats happy. Come and visit us at Hurricane Grill and Wings, located at 2355 Southwest Martin Highway in Palm City, Florida.